Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is a companion video to accompany the pictures that I put on the online auction site. This is a beautiful, beautiful 3D copper sculpture of a bird on a maple leaf branch, and I'll just cover it in detail. About 30 inches wide. Check out these leaves. The original artist went through and really made the edges sharp like a fall leaf. He fired them as well to give them a really distinctive autumn-like color, and you can see inside all these little dendritic patterns that he must have used some sort of a tool to make to give these a really 3D look. 12 leaves in all, each one about 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 depending on the leaf, about 30 inches wide for the whole thing. And then on top of the branch, poised for flight, is this really interesting little bird. He's about 3 inches wide, but his wings are kind of folded as he's just getting ready to extend them for flight, about 6 inches long. And he's made like a ribbon, a flat piece of metal that's been folded. I'm going to stop this and turn on the light to get a little more detail. Okay, I turned on the little camera light to show you his construction. Again, a flat piece of metal that's been ribbon-like folded to be a beautiful little bird. The bottom is what people would call rotten granite. It's a beautiful piece of red granite, just laden with minerals. You can see the quartz is shimmering, probably a lot of feldspar in there, but the overall color is red. You'll really get a sense, well, there's a patina on top, but you'll really get a sense of the color by flipping this over. And this doesn't nearly have the patina on it, and you can see the autumn-like colors just burst. The bottom is signed W. Craigle, 1978, the artist. I mentioned the wonderful patina on top. If you wanted to polish it, you could. It'd probably look a lot more like the bottom, but I'll leave that up to the lucky new owner. Just a wonderful piece. I'd almost call it folk art, but it's so well done. You want to call it professional. I'll try to hold this still. One last go by. Thanks for watching.